Subscribe to the Sandeep tutorial channel and hit the bell icon to watch the latest videos. Hello friends, I will create new drop down menu today. Hello friends, my name is Sandeep. I welcome you very much. Sandeep tutorial has brought amazing video in this episode. Let's start. Today we will create only this. Now I am going to create a new folder. I will write here drop down menus. I will save it and I will go to this folder and I will paste here one photo. You want to see here. This is the photo I will take on here. You want anyone take. I will go to app and I will save it. Where I will save it, there I will go and clear it. Here I will write index.html. I will save here and open another one folder. This consists of style.css. Because style.css means whatever I will write, I want to make a style for that, because I will return here. Now I am written here HTML folder. Here I will return HTML. I will return here HTML. I will click and type here drop down menu, drop down menu, and I will add one link here because here link consists of style.css. Now I am going to inside the body tag. I will create here nav tag. In this nav tag I will class a. After this I will take another one UL. In this UL I will take one class. Class implies to B. After this I will take list, because I want to write a list here. In this list I will take one class. Class implies to C. I will take a nav is equal to class A, UL class B, LI class C. I will take here class C. After this I will use here anchor tag. In this anchor tag I will use hash. Here hash implies to when I will click on link, it does not redirect the page into other link. I will copy it. Copy. I will paste here 5 times. And this I will write here home. Here I will write service. After this I will write here gallery. Here I will write about. Here I will write contact. I will return here. Now I am going to save it. For save, Ctrl+S is the shortcut key, and open in browser. I will open here. Now I will make for this CSS style.css. Now I am making here. Now I am going to style. First for body I will write style. Body implies to margin I will give 0 because I does not want any margin. Padding also 0. Padding also does not want. Now I will write font family. Font family implies to Lato, comma sans serif. After this I am going to write font size. I want here size. Font size equivalent to 15 pixels. After this I am taking background image. Here I will take background image. I will write URL. In this URL I want one image because I am going to drop down menu folder. Here I will go to properties. I will check here one.jpeg. Here is not having JPG. Please see the link in properties. .jpeg is here. Now I am going to here and write one.jpeg. After this I am Control S. After this refresh because I want full cover photo here. After this I want to write background size. Background size implies to cover because we want clear photo here. After this I want to write background position. Background position implies to center. After this background repeat. No, it does not repeat anything. I will give here height. I will give 100 VH. Comma. Say I will save here. Shortcut key Control S. I will tell again. Here is clear. Now I want to make a property for this. After this I want to write here A because nav consists of class A. I am written here dot A. I am width is equal to 100%. After this background color I will give the background color. I will give now hash. I will wait. I am seeing the colors. 1 minute. I want to see here colors because I am saved the record screen. Here I will see which color I want to put. I will put blue 0000FF. 0000FF I will written here. After this I will give color. Color implies to hash FFF. I will save it. Control S. After this I will refresh here. This is the color of the background. Now I want to give here color. After this I am going to here UL class implies to B because I am writing here B dot B. Here B implies to line height. Line height implies to 45 pixels. After this font width. Now I am writing font width is equal to 700. Text transform uppercase. I will save it. After I will refresh here. See, the clear image will find. Now what I want to do? Now I want to do for UL. A.ul. I am giving here dot A comma UL. Here I will give list style type. List style type. Where is it? List style type I will find here. In this I will give none because it does not want any list style type. Margin also giving 0. Padding also 0 I am giving. Padding implies to 0. Now I want to save it. Control S. Now refresh here. See here having dot lines white color. Now it is not there because margin and padding implies to this only. After this I am writing here. See, I want to make home service gallery about contact in the only single line. I am going to click here. I am written dot A comma dot b space dot c. I am written here. Now I am putting flower bracket. In this I will return display inline block. It is very important. Position also I am giving position related. For this related whatever you want take. Control S. I want to save it. See, all are in only one single line. Of this I am writing here dot A. Here I will copy this. Copy. Here I will Control V. Shortcut key for paste is Control V. After this I am editing A. Taking padding implies to 0. Padding I will not take 0. 13 pixels space 25 pixels. After this cursor I will blink. Cursor implies to pointer. It is also cursor is changing for whenever they will blink on the single lines. Here text decoration implies to none. Color implies to color wait, I want to see here color. Wait for few minutes. I am seeing here about the colors. I am taking here color hash. Wait, I am seeing color. Which one I want to take now? Color implies to hash 000. Next I am taking display block. Control S and refresh here. It is a clarity. Cursor also blinking changes here. See. Now I am giving here color. One color I am giving here because I am reading here dot C is to hover. Hover implies to background color. Wait, I am seeing here which one I want to take. Only wait for few minutes. I am taking color yes hash FF0000. Control S. Now I am refresh here. See my color is blinking here. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And don't forget to like, comment and share. And next video I will show you the how to make drop down menu in services. I will give the link in the description. Thanks for watching.